Here's how to see your LinkedIn password. Now, if you're on LinkedIn.com or you have the LinkedIn app open, unfortunately, you can't see the password in LinkedIn. But there are two places to be able to check and find that password. The first place that I would recommend doing is opening up Google Chrome on your iPhone, Android, or computer. And from here, you're going to go to google.com. And once you're on google.com, tap on your profile picture at the top right. Now from here, you can see manage your Google account. Just tap on that. And if you don't necessarily see this or you can't find it, you can always just type in myaccount.google.com and hit go. Now from here at the very top, I can swipe over until I get to security and tap on that. And now from here, all I need to do is scroll down until I get to password manager at the very bottom. Tap on that. Now, all you need to do is search for LinkedIn here. I have a passphrase set up, so I can't see it in here. You have two other places to check. One is to tap on those three dots at the bottom right. And now on here, you're going to swipe over until you find that little key for password manager. Tap on that. And now from here, I can search for LinkedIn and open it up and see my password. However, if you don't see it in there as well, you can always open up the Passwords app. So if you're on iPhone, Android computer, search for the Passwords app. And then again on here, we will just search for LinkedIn, open it up, and you'll be able to see your LinkedIn password.